Pipedrive versus Zoho CRM, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which business tool is better among Pipedrive and Zoho. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Pipedrive. Pipedrive is known for its intuitive and easy to use interface, which simplifies the process of managing sales activities, provides detailed analytics and reporting tools, helping businesses optimize their sales strategies and performance, allows users to customize their sales pipelines, making it suitable for a wide range of industries and sales processes, offers a wide range of integrations with other tools and platforms, enhancing its functionality, offers competitive pricing with various tiers to suit different business sizes and needs. While great for sales teams, it may lack the comprehensive client management and white label features that agencies require. Can be more expensive, especially as you scale your course offerings and need more advanced features. Primarily focuses on CRM and sales pipeline management with fewer marketing automation capabilities. Now, let's come towards Zoho. Zoho offers a wide range of business tools, including CRM, invoicing, and project management. Highly customizable to fit various business needs. Provides affordable pricing plans, especially for small businesses. Integrates well with other Zoho products and third party applications. Known for its user friendly interface and ease of use. May face scalability issues for very large enterprises. Some users report inconsistent customer support experiences. A slight learning curve for users new to the Zoho ecosystem. Choosing between Pipedrive and Zoho CRM in 2024 depends on your business size, budget, and specific CRM needs. Pipedrive is ideal for businesses looking for an easy to use, sales focused CRM with excellent customer support. On the other hand, Zoho CRM offers a more comprehensive, customizable solution that integrates well with other tools, making it a strong choice for businesses with more complex needs. Consider what features are most important to you to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for this video.